Good morning, all of you. How are you? Fine. Okay. Today, in this class, I am going to solve some hot numerical. Okay. HOTS means higher order of thinking skills. These numericals are based on your NCERT syllabus. One is here. First one is a bullet of mass 15 gram leaps the barrel of a gun with a velocity 1200 meter per second. The gun recoils with a velocity of 1 meter per second. Find the mass of the gun. Okay, according to your first questions, some informations are given. M1 is equal to 50 gram. Here M1 is the mass of the bullet. But any numericals are solved in MK system, so it will be equal to 0.015 kg. Okay, U1 is equal to 0 meter per second, V1 is equal to 12 meter per second. That means bullet fired from the speed of 1200 meter per second. U2 is equal to 0 meter per second, V2 is equal to minus 1 meter per second. Here minus sign indicates that this is the recoil velocity. This is the recoil velocity. M2 is equal to what? Where M2 is the mass of the gun. Okay. According to the law of conservation of momentum, since M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. According to the law of conservation of momentum, here M1 is 0.015, U1 is equal to 0 plus M2 into, again here U2 is equal to 0. Initially both gun and bullet is in a static position. Okay, that implies 0.015 into 1200. M1 is the 0.015 kg and V1 is the 1200 meter per second plus M2 into, here V2 is minus 1 because it is the recoil velocity of the gun. Okay, recoil velocity always taken in negative form. Okay, that implies 0 plus 0 is equal to 18.00 plus minus M2. Okay, that implies 0 is equal to 18 minus M2. This indicates that M2 is equal to 18 kg. Okay, 18 kg. That implies here M2 is equal to 18 kg. Okay, and M2 is the mass of the gun. Therefore, hence mass of the gun is equal to 18 kg. This is the answer. Okay, mass of the gun is equal to here 18 kg. It is so easy. This question is based on the law of conservation of momentum. Okay. Now here next one is done. A projectile weighing 200 kg is fired from a gun with a velocity of 500 meter per second. Okay. If the velocity of recoil of the gun is 12.5 meter per second, calculate the mass of the gun. Okay. Here some informations are given according to your questions. A projectile weighing 200 kg, that means mass of the projectile is 200 kg. Okay, here M1 is equal to 200 kg. Okay, mass of the projectile is fired from a gun with a velocity of 500 meter per second. U1 is equal to 0 and V1 is equal to 500 meter per second. U1 is 0 because initially machine gun is in rest position. Okay. If the velocity of recoil of gun is 12.5 meter per second, that implies U2 is equal to 0, but V2 is equal to minus 12.5 meter per second. Negative is here because this velocity is recoil and recoil velocity is always taken as negative. Do you follow? Okay. Calculate the mass of the gun. Therefore, M2 is equal to what? Where M2 is the mass of the gun. Where M2 is equal to mass of the gun. Okay. According to law of conservation of momentum. Okay. Since M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Okay. Here M1 is equal to 200, U1 is equal to 0 into 0 plus M2 into here U2 is 0. because initially bullet is also in rest. 200 into V1 is 500 plus M2 into minus 12.5. Okay. Here 0 plus 0 is equal to that implies 1 lakh plus minus 12.5 M2. Okay, 12.5 M2. That implies 0 is equal to 1 lakh minus 12.5 M2. Okay. After solving this, it will become when we solve, then it will become 12.5 M2 is equal to 12.5 M2 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, that implies M2 is equal to 1 lakh upon 12.5. Okay, that implies 8,000. Okay, that implies M2 is equal to 8,000 kg. What is the M2? Here M2 is the mass of the machine gun. Hence the mass of the machine gun is equal to 8,000 kg. Answer. Okay. It is also based on the law of conservation of momentum. Okay. Next one is here. Third, according to the third questions, a machine gun fires a bullet of mass 40 gram with a speed of 1200 meter per second. The person holding the gun can exert a force of 144 Newton on it. Find the maximum number of bullets fired from the gun per second. We have to calculate number of bullets which are fired in 1 second. What is the meaning of per second? That means 1 second. Given a machine fires a bullet of mass M1, that means mass of the bullet 40 gram. That implies 0.04 kg. Okay, and U is equal to 0. Initially, along with machine gun, bullet is in a static position. So initial velocity u is 0. V is equal to 1200 meter per second. F is equal to 114 Newton, because the person holding the gun can exert a force of 144 Newton on it. Find the maximum number of bullets per second. Here t is equal to 1 second. These are the informations given in your third question. Okay. N is equal to what? Where N is the maximum number of bullets. Okay. Here, change in momentum. Now, change in momentum. Momentum is equal to mv is equal to mv minus mu. mv minus mu, where mv is the final momentum and mu is the initial momentum. Therefore, rate of change of momentum, rate of change of momentum is equal to mv minus u upon t. But all of you know that rate of change of momentum is equal to the applied force. Okay. Here we assume that maximum number of bullets is n. Therefore, change in momentum is equal to mv minus mu into n, because n bullets are fired in per second. Okay, into n. But according to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum always equal to applied force. Okay. Here we relate rate of change of momentum to the force. F is equal to m. Here m is equal to 0.040 into 1200 minus 0 into n upon 1, because t is equal to 1 into n upon 1. Okay. According to your question, F is equal to 149 Newton. F is equal to 149 Newton. We put the value of force F here. Okay. And we solve the question. That implies 144 is equal to 0.040 into 1200 into n. Okay, after solving this, that implies 144 is equal to 48 n. Okay, that implies 48.00 n is also written as 48 n is equal to 144. That implies n is equal to 144 upon 48, that means 3. Therefore, n is equal to 3. What is n here? That means, therefore, maximum number of bullets is equal to 3. Hence, 3 bullets are fired per second from the machine gun according to this question, and hence we have solved 3 HOTS numerical here in this class. Now in next class I will solve some HOTS numericals again. Till thank you. Have a nice day.